Shop here says Vlastita Provodina. Like a winery? Oh, okay, as you can see, that has to be a winery. We didn't come here for wine. Come inside and take a look. 10. Modgo Konoba. There's a whole bunch of winery here everywhere. Where's the truffle? Oh, right there. Right at the top of the hill is where you get the truffle shop. Alrighty, see myself we're there. And getting back is gonna be a little more challenging than getting here actually. Pilati. Alrighty.
Hello.
Yeah, don't be scared. I scared the shit out of you. It's open for the public, right?
Yes, it is.
All right. Okay. So I'm a vlogger, so I vlog everything that I do. Okay.
Could you please not film me?
Okay. Oh yeah, I'll blur your face. Okay, I'll blur your face. But you know, I don't know if you.
Channel on YouTube.
I'll show you everything. I swear to God.
Please do.
I'll show the person, but not your
The
face.
silhouette, just not the face.
Yeah, I'll blur it, okay?
Okay.
Let me turn this off real quick, my scooter. Hold on. I swear to God, I was supposed to come here with my wife because she found here and she was like, truffle. She wants to come here. But she's afraid because, you know, I wanted to get here on a scooter.
Maybe she should have come here.
But she couldn't. So I had to do that for her. So what is truffle?
Truffle is basically an underground mushroom which you would commonly find in this area, especially the Motovun forest.
Right.
Yeah. So it grows in symbiosis with certain kinds of trees.
Is it what, once again? It's a...
Symbiosis.
Aha.
With certain kinds of trees. There's black truffle and there's white truffle. Actually, quite soon, in October, on the 5th of October, we'll begin Zigante Truffle Days, which is actually truffle fair.
Okay.
Where you get to see...
It's fermented, probably? What is it made of? It's from maize?
Underground mushroom.
Okay.
Which grows...
So it's planted. So it's planted, right?
Plant, yes.
Okay. All right. So which one are you going to recommend? I don't know. The chips, definitely. Right?
Here you
Or
can try
not really?
something. I suggest
okay.
trying, experiencing, tasting.
Alrighty. I'm trying truffle chips, right?
Truffle chips.
Truffle chips. Guys, truffle chips. Let me go outside so that people can feel it. Try truffle chips. Not bad. Actually not bad.
Quite popular here, yeah.
Is that this?
Yeah, it's that.
It's not bad. Can it fit inside here? Because I only have this much space. Look at the space.
Try this. This is truffle spice. It's you really get a taste of truffle with this, and it's practical. So
Right.
here, small.
Truffle salt. Truffle everything. Is there truffle water?
Not truffle water, but we do have gin.
I was just joking. I was just being silly. But definitely has truffle pasta.
Which is the English word for this? In Croatian it's pašteta, but English would be pate. I don't know. Not
Okay.
Sure.
Folks, please, if you know what that means, because I'm not really a foodie like that. I'm African, so we eat completely different stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So I can't really tell you what that is.
So this is fresh black truffle.
Fresh black truffle. Hold on.
So here in Motovun we have strong alcoholic drinks,
Right.
which are also popular in Croatia, all over Croatia, but especially Istria over here. We also produce our own wines, Zigante wines.
Zigante wine. Zigante.
Yeah.
Look at that. Zigante
Sparkling
wine.
wines, Istrian Malvasia, quite good.
When you say MPC, what is that?
It's a retail price.
Aha.
Retail price is 15 euros.
Meaning if I'm buying here, then it's 15 euros.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
15 euros with taxes, with everything.
15 bucks, Wow, it's expensive.
It is expensive, not cheap.
It's not cheap. Oh, it's not expensive. It's not cheap. Terra Rosa Festigia Gambaletto.
Yeah.
Italian name.
Italian names. Here in Istria, a lot of people speak Italian also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because it's at the border.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost at the border between Slovenia and then you got.
So here you have honey liquor. Terranino is from red wine. Dried fig, wild apple, bianca, white one. Sage, wild pear. Bisca is mistletoe brandy, and over
Wow,
here
a
is
bunch
from,
of cool stuff.
yeah, plant which I cannot pronounce in English.
It doesn't matter. See, YouTube isn't about being perfect. If you get it there 90%, the folks watching you are going to help you with the rest, okay? You don't have to be shy. I'm not perfect. I don't want to be perfect because perfect is boring. Just know that. And what is this? Because you already told me the top row.
These are two different kinds of gin. Quite strong.
Gin, $60. Yeah, it got to be strong.
This is very strong. Yeah, this is the addition with pine,
All right.
I think.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oranchaglio.
Aperitivo again.
Uh-huh.
My English not as good.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Orancello,
Uh-huh.
oranges, limoncello, lemons. This is another aperitif brandy.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, these two are the same. I cannot remember the word.
Okay. So and then you have liquor,
these are-
vodka, some strong spirits, you know. That's great. So, but I believe okay, that's a whole package right there, right?
That is actually quite popular. This is called our pleasure box, where you get Fuji, Tartufata. This is mixed black and white truffle with a bit of olives and button mushrooms, and the oil with a booklet with recipes also that's inside.
Whew.
Quite popular because of the price for 16.50.
Yeah, it looks like a good bargain price, eh? The only issue is look at my bag. Alright, got black summer truffle, kind of like black pepper. But how do I use it? You mean it can substitute that?
You would commonly use it for anything which you want to add the truffle flavor to.
Okay.
For example, it could be pizza, it could be pasta, it could be morning egg omelet, anything.
I found interesting stuff here. Tartufuta, Tartufata.
Yeah, that's right.
Is that Croatian? It's Croatian.
And also Italian and Slovenian.
Yeah. It's like a mixture of that because I can just tell. Look at that. It's a whole bunch of things. I just don't want to buy a whole bunch of stuff because I'm not rich. But I want to buy one thing, and it's the. You don't want me to take this? Don't you want me to take this?
Take it. Try it. Let your wife try it.
Yeah, because I love chips, okay? So I'm buying chips.
That would be €7.
Yeah. I thought I forgot my wallet. This.
There you go.
It's rich taste, like something else.
Yeah.
And it's gonna taste like this, right?
It's the same. Yeah, it's the same.
And with wine, I got different channels with tools and gadgets and stuff. And I have a travel channel. It's called Sika Travels. Sika, Sika Travels.
Type it in, please.
Yeah. So, and I'm in a hat. Okay, that's me and my wife.
Oh, subscribed.
Oh, thank you. But subscribe and please watch. Whenever we post a video, just watch it, because it helps, right?
To some beautiful places.
In Croatia. Because we're in Croatia right now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been to, this is my second time in Croatia. So the last time we were here, we were in, you will see it there, Piotr Amaru. Have I paid? I paid, right? Yeah, I paid. Okay, because I'm forgetful, like ADHD, right? you know what I mean? So we were in Piotr Amaru.
Not sure I understand.
We were in Croatia.
Yeah.
There's a place called Piotr Amaru. Svetar Amaru. Zadar.
In Zadar area. Oh.
Piotr Amaru. Sveti Petr.
Sveti Petar.
Sveti Petr Amaru. Sveti Petr. Amaru.
Namoru.
Namoru. Okay, Namoru. Yeah. We were there. Great, crystal clear water. No,
I
right?
was recently a while ago in Zadar.
Right. And yeah, the water is a little bit salty, but we enjoyed it, and it was sunny, and it was so fun. But that was last year, and this year it's cold. What's going on in Croatia? It's cold this year. We came here last year at the same time. Yeah,
I don't know what to say. Climate is
it's changing.
changing.
Because there's no global warming anymore. There's a global freezing. What do you recommend us, or what else do you recommend us try? Few things I should try, cuisine-wise, and maybe places like real shocking places that I can go to. Somewhere really worth putting on social media.
To put on social media,
Yeah.
I would highly suggest if you haven't already tried the truffles in our restaurant. It's
Right.
near
Oh, there's a restaurant. Uh-huh.
in Livada. It's specialized in truffles.
Restaurant Zigante. How far is it
The
from?
map is on
Okay, it's on the back. Okay,
It's maybe 5 kilometers from here.
Okay.
Not, maybe you should try going to Pula.
Pula. That's on our bucket list.
Yeah, Pula and Porec are very.
And Porec. Uh-huh.
Porec.
Porec. Yeah. It's at the
On the
peninsula. Yeah, at the coast. Uh-huh.
there. Have you been to Dalmatia, but from maybe Split or Dubrovnik?
I know, but my wife isn't adventurous.
Try the capital then, Zagreb.
Zagreb. But Zagreb is inside.
Yeah.
And we love the view. We want to see the view.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
okay. But great telling me what to do. We'll try next time Dubrovnik, and definitely Pula is gonna be on
One
the.
question: when do you plan to post this video?
Oh, when we get back, as soon as possible.
Okay.
What?
Because I want to let my husband know I may end up on YouTube.
Tell him you're gonna be on YouTube, but your face isn't gonna be. I've tried as much as possible to blur it out. And I mean, what is the big deal? Why are you so afraid of being on YouTube? It's YouTube. Everybody sees you here, and you see them, and there's nothing. It's just a YouTube channel. Look at me. That's my channel. I got nothing to hide.
Just that when I see people on YouTube, everybody looks so beautiful.
Uh-huh.
I have worked here for a few hours and my.
Okay. You mean that? Oh, please don't be so insecure. You see, breathe, and everything will be fine. Okay. All right. Bye. Ciao. Alrighty, check out the view from on top here. Check out the view. Because this out here is the best thing ever. Look at that. Nice view from the local area. Who could actually imagine there's such a gem is hiding here on top of the hill. Alright. Going to go fetch truffle, and I ran into this. Anyway, it's time to get back. It's been fun.